Okay, we're going to assemble this Amazon Basics 3-tier shelf. It's a chrome shelf. Have a look at it. There we go. Okay. Now, that's one shelf. Now it comes with these black plastic protectors between shelves. They seem to kind of fall off when they want to anyway, but we don't need them. Okay, we gotta, there we go, these ties need to be cut off. Okay, not even sure why they're there. They weren't holding anything on. Okay, let's keep going. Alright, now, you want this part here to go down. That part that hangs over there. And this is the top here. Okay. Now, first things first. I'm going to go ahead and. Okay. Now it comes with a little bolt that ties it together here that can actually come out. But you want to screw that right in. Make sure it's really tight. There we go. And these little black things, those are the kind of the feet on here. Now, make sure that's tight, this part here. Make sure that's tight in there. Now I'm going to screw all these together. Like that, and you can see this is the top right here, it has some plastic there. And that's how long it is, and the 3 shelves go in here. And make sure it's all tight. Again, very important, make sure that this part here is tightened as tight as you can get. That part right here. Okay, and you screw it on simply like that. Okay, that's again tight. Get it straight. Okay, there we go. Okay, we don't need to look at this really per se. We don't need to. We need these little clips. It's pretty straightforward putting this together. I've done this a couple of times now. There comes with an extra one. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Okay, put this on the table. Let's put it over here. And let's get this box out of the way. Okay, we'll do all this here. Now, first thing we're going to do is find somewhere to put one of these clips on each leg. I'm going to open it here. Now, you'll see here, there's a part that kind of slopes up here. Okay. And as a matter of fact, it has top on it pointing up. So that's the part that goes up. And they're all marked like that. It doesn't matter which ones, they all connect like that. Now what I'm going to do here is put one on near where I would like the first shelf to be on the bottom. And let's say we're going to put this on the third the third line, the third indentation here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put that on the third. And so I'm going to, again, point to the top here. And you hold it together like that and just kind of slide it down. Okay. There we go. Okay. Right there. You see 1, 2, and 3. All right. That one was a little contrary. Okay. It'll get easier once I get the first shelf on. Now, same thing, make sure they're all the same. On the bottom. Oops, that's the wrong side. Oh, that's got to go up because we're doing on the third. Oh, wrong. Oh, now I'm doing it. Now I'm putting it upside down. Okay. They both have to be upside right. And there we go. 1, 2, and 3. And we can check that, and we can see that they're the same. Let's move this over here. Yeah, that's the top. You can see that there. Okay. And that goes top. Oh, you see I got it wrong there. I put it on the wrong one. So, but this shows that you can actually take this off again and reset it. You gotta hold it together and slide it, hold it together and slide it down, and there we go. And you can see they're all coming out the right way. Now, we got one more of these here. Okay, to the top. Top. There we go. And you can see they're all in the right place. So now, this will make it a little bit easier. You want to put the first shelf on, and it slides on like that. I guess it could be a little simpler, but there we go. There we go. Now I gotta get that last leg in there. A little bit tricky putting them together by yourself sometimes. Let's get that in here. There we go. Okay, it's downhill from here. Okay. Now it comes with 3 packages of these, 1 for each shelf. Okay. Now, where are we going to put the next shelf? Let's see, again, the top part goes top. Let's see, maybe about right here would be good. Now I got to keep an eye on that, make sure it's right. Because it's easy to get this part wrong. Put it upside down. They both got to be on the top. I think that's right. I think that's right. Now, Again, top. Yeah, I eyeballing that. I think I'm doing pretty good here. I'll simply reset it if I need to. Let's take a look at this. Aha! Just to illustrate, this can go be reset. And I think this one actually goes up one as well. Make sure it's clipped together. They might not fully meet, but that's no problem. Again, this part hangs down. You know something? I believe, yeah, I think we got it there. I believe we got it there. Okay, now the next one is going to go right up near the top. This probably could have gone down a little lower. You want to get it out of there, tap it up. We're going to put it down a little bit lower. One more. Oops, I didn't. Oh my, leave it to me. Tight, tight, tight. There we go. And now this one is, it's easier to do it this way because it's easier to bring it down than bring it back up. Okay, we got it. Is that okay like that? We'll have a look at this.
I think it looks good.
So let me put something a little bit wider on the bottom there.
Yes, man, that looks really good.
Now, this is going to be a little bit easier to measure, so I'm going to put it right near the top. There we go. I'm just going to skip one at the top. And there we go. Skip the one at the top. It's not easy to measure it out that way. I probably should have used a ruler there, but hey, but we're good. There we go. Skip one. I'm going to skip one at the top. Okay, skipping one. And this goes right here. Now they say this can handle 250 pounds of shelf. I'm not so sure, but it's good. And there we go. Yeah, I think that's fine like that because we're probably going to put something a little bit bigger on the bottom.
Okay, Randy, could you give us an estimate of what you think would be a good weight per shelf?
I don't know, I probably wouldn't go over 100 to be honest with you.
Other than that, Randy, do you think it's a good shelf?
Yes, I do.
Good shelving unit.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to actually move this up a little bit. No, that's right, that's right. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to move it up anymore. We're good. Push it down there. Yeah, we're fine.
Okay.
Now let's have a look at it this way. You can see it's even. And that's the way it looks. Now I could bring that up a little more or bring it down lower if I wanted to, but that's fine by me. Well, now you gotta make sure this is all lined up. Now push it down. There we go. Excellent.
It's nice.
Yeah, this is a Chrome. Amazon Basics 3-tier shelf, Chrome. Now make sure this is all even and the top points up. And this part here hangs down.
Which part?
This little part here, I don't know what you call it, the lip area here,
Hangs down.
hangs down.
Okay, perfect.
Guaranteed. Okay. I'd put 100 pounds under safe, I think. 250, I'm not so sure. Now, except for a couple of mistakes there.
Okay, Randy, you think it can hold 100 pounds per each tier?
For each tier, yeah. I wouldn't go past that, to be honest with you.
Okay.
But, you know, maybe it is safe to take 250. I don't know.
Yes.
But I wouldn't go past it.
Okay. Perfect.
Excellent.
It looks great.
Now I gotta. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay.